I wanted to really share these videos with you guys because I got so excited taking them last week. It was a really incredible experience. We got to see 3 different types of toucans in the rainforest of Bijagua, Costa Rica. And it was just incredible. We stood there and they were flying all around us, landing super close, eating, chirping. It was a really amazing experience. It felt like we were in a butterfly garden surrounded by butterflies, but a toucan version. It was really awesome. So check out these 3 different types of toucans that we got to see last week.